Hey everyone, this is Moto Vigilant here, and today is a little DIY video. But before that, let me wish you all Merry Christmas. Hope you have a good new year ahead. And we're gonna do some DIY with the Rollcage for Hero 8. So let's begin. So things you're gonna need are scissors, a single holer punch, a good quality Velcro, and some gel type super glue that can stick rubber with the other materials. So first of all, we're gonna make a rough marking on the roll cage by putting it next to your GoPro. So just make a horizontal line and vertical line, and where they form a box, just use that as a reference. And after you have that done, take the single holer punch and make a hole out of it, just like this, and use the same single holer punch to make the rest of the holes, and it should look something like this here. So after inserting the GoPro just with the hole, it will look something like this. So it enables for you to charge your GoPro while it's in the roll cage. The reason we are using the single holer punch because it cuts clean edges and we don't want rough edges. Next thing we're gonna do is we have to cut a straight line using the scissors on the right side of the roll cage. So this is how it will look after you make a cut. Now take the Velcro and cut a small piece out of it that can fit on the side of the roll cage, and using the glue, stick on the side of the roll cage and cut it into two separate pieces. So in my case, the Velcro I was using had already glue on the back side, so I did not have to use the additional glue, but you can always use a glue if you don't have one. So the thing I sticked on the roll cage is the Velcro with the hooks, and that will be stuck on the side of the roll cage, and the other part of the Velcro will go on top of it to connect it, and the other part should be a little bit longer than the one that is stuck on the roll cage because you need some grip to hold to. So this is how it will basically work. And after you're putting everything together, I just use a black piece of plastic to make it look cooler. And then this is how you will use the roll cage after you make changes to the design. Open the Velcro and insert your camera and use the same Velcro to put it back again. It will not take a lot of time like before. It takes a lot of time to put the GoPro in it, and you have chances of putting your fingers on the lens and making it dirty while doing so, and you can't even charge your camera while it's in the roll cage because there was no hole for one. And this is how it looks after it's completed. Hope you like this video, and be vigilant, ride safe.